All right, good morning, everyone. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Firstly, economic news coming out for today, Tuesday, the 31st. We had unemployment cost index quarter over quarter came in better than expected, 1.1%, which is say above expected. The at 9 o'clock we have the S&P CS Composite 20 HPI year over year, and we have the HPI month over month. At 9:45, we've got Chicago PMI. At 10 a.m., we got consumer confidence. And that's it. Okay. So 10 o'clock will be a big report. Then after that, that'll be all. So between now and then, we have a series of reports coming out. As far as the market is concerned, yesterday, the NASDAQ was mostly, well, it was somewhat up, but very volatile, lots of back and forth. Um, so not a really strong trend, but let's take a look at which stocks were moving yesterday. Um, Amazon was able to reach its target number one, which was 131.60. Eventually, it got about two-thirds of the way to target number two, but never reached it. Microsoft MSFT was able to reach target number 337.29, and then got stuck there. Google was able to reach its target number one as well of 124.78, and then it also got stuck there. Apple was able to reach target number one, 171.19. Well, actually, Apple went to 171.17, so it was 2 pennies short of target number one, but essentially it reached that. RVPH was brought up in the room by a few of you. That actually hit its target number two of 649 a share. It topped out at 680. Qualcomm was able to reach target number one of 108.64, and then that was it. Meta was able to reach 308.75, its target number two. It topped out at 309.40. And let's see what else we have. That was about it. All right, so that was pretty much it as far as stocks moving today. Now, as far as it goes for this morning, let's take a look at what's moving in the pre-market. Currently, my list is empty. So, okay, now I've got some stuff. So, let's take a look. Let's see, SPRC, which is currently up 100, just over 100%, 2.9 million shares traded. It's above $1 per share. It's NASDAQ listed, so we'll go ahead and add that to our radar. Again, this symbol is SPRC. Next up, we've got SRPT, which is currently down about 44% down, 3.3 million shares traded. And that, of course, is a NASDAQ stock. It's above $1. So we'll go ahead and add that to our radar, SRPT. So far, that's all that I see at the moment. So if you guys see any other stocks that meet our four criteria, must be a NASDAQ listed stock, must be at least $1 per share, must be trading at least 1 million shares in the pre-market, and must have at least a 6% positive or negative change in price. If you see anything that meets those four criteria, let me know in the chat. We'll go ahead and take a look. We already have SPRC. So any other people, or any other symbols, I meant to say, excuse me, that meet our criteria, let me know in the chat. We have SRPT and SRPC, or I'm sorry, SPRC. So any other stocks that meet our four criteria, let me know in the chat. Then we'll go ahead and take a look. Nope, those are the only two. At least the only two that I found. All right, CDT. Sure, let's take a look. Doesn't meet on the volume criteria. It's at 98,600 shares. So we need at least 1 million shares traded. So unfortunately, that doesn't meet the criteria. All right, folks. So we'll call it a day then. For the pre-market pulse, we have SPRC and SRPT, which I'll publish inside of the coaching room once we get there. So for everyone, please be sure to like the video. I see we got 11 likes here. Please be sure to hit the like button for YouTube so we can go ahead and get more views of our videos. Also be sure to subscribe to the channel. That also helps us with the algorithm. All right, and for everyone who's part of the coaching program, I'll see you in the room in about 26 minutes. We'll pick up from there. Other than that, for everyone else, I'll see you in the pre-market pulse tomorrow, and then we'll go from there. All right, so the two symbols were S, PRC, and SRPT. All right, have a good one, folks. Take care.